sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. He says himself, Ana khatamun nabiyyin la nabiyya ba'di. Dear audience, he was very kind, he was very simple, kind and humble. He had a soft heart for everyone. Dear audience, before the arrival of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Arabs were very ignorant. Dear audience, the pagan Arabs give him a trouble in the way of Allah Almighty. There are many examples found in history of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When he went to Taif, the people there stood at him. On Jibreel come to him and says to Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, if you wish, I will destroy them." But he also said that, "O most merciful God, O most merciful God, show them the right path." Dear audience, at one time the Arabs sent a delegation to Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam, kind and caring uncle Abu Talib. They told him to stop him from preaching Allah Almighty, or tell him to show His Almighty. Dear audience, Hazrat Abu Talib said his nephew, "O my nephew, please careful and avoid a trouble." The Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied with these remarkable words, "Oh my dear uncle, if they put the sun on my right hand and moon on my left hand, I will never give up from preaching Allah Almighty. I shall a true faith of Allah Almighty." I end my speech with these words. कल बरोज महशर हर एक बंदे का इश्क़े मुस्तफा में टेस्ट होगा। बरोज महशर हर एक बंदे का इश्क़े मुस्तफा में टेस्ट होगा। जो उसमें लेगा ज़्यादा नंबर खुदा की नजरों में बेस्ट होगा। जो लेगा उसमें ज़्यादा नंबर खुदा की नजरों में बेस्ट होगा। गुस्ताखे नबी को मिलेगी सजा, गुस्ताखे नबी को मिलेगी सजा। सहाबा का दुश्मन अरेस्ट होगा। नौकरे सहाबा को देख लेना, वहाँ भी वो चीफ गेस्ट होगा। थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू।